Hi, I'm Linda Charlton. I will show you how to customize your homepage in Qualtrics. First, you would go to the gear under Welcome to XM. And you can turn on and off what you do not want to see. Like I will turn off the pin widgets, and I'm going to turn off the active surveys. And I leave everything else on, so I will do apply changes. I also will going to get rid of the import notifications that I don't need anymore. I'm going to click on the three dots and do remove notifications. Since I'm done with them, you do not need them anymore. Thanks for watching.